Up and coming technologies for Year 6 to 12 classroom Olawafunk Flourish email. Introduction. It is no secret that many students are not passionate about math. Students feel disconnected from what is taught in class, unsure of the benefits of math, and reluctant to pursue careers in the field. Many companies have developed virtual tools for math which allow students to learn, practice, and have fun with different math concepts. We will discuss most of them below. Geometry Pad. This virtual graph paper allows students to draw shapes, charts, and other geometric features. Students can change the properties of shapes, zoom in, save their work, and add written notes on the side. Geometry Pad is a great application that can be used with students of any age and across mathematical disciplines. Globaloria. Learning math through games is a great educational tool. Globaloria allows students to create games that test STEM subjects. With a gallery full of games, students can explore creations that were made by their peers. This application aims to promote STEM subjects on a global level through games and social networking. Fluid Math. Fluid Math is the first pen-centric platform that works on iPads and interactive whiteboards. Students and teachers can write in their own handwriting as they solve problems and engage with difficult concepts. Fluid Math has won many awards, and its many features make it a great tool for both teachers and students in any math classroom. Dragon Box. This learner-based approach to math claims that 83% of children learn the basics of algebra in an hour. Through interactive games and explanations, students as young as 5 are introduced to algebra and how variables work. Students have no idea they are engaging with academic content, and the graphics are colorful and cute. Study Greek. Mathematical vocabulary is fundamental to understanding math. Study Geek is a great learning tool that has an alphabetical glossary of thousands of math vocabulary words. There is also a selection of informative videos that cover everything from geometry to algebra. The game's aim is to test math vocabulary retention, and students will enjoy playing a game and learning at the same time. Get the Math. The aim of this tool is to relate algebra to the real world. Through topics like math in music and math in fashion, students can learn how math is an integral part of everyday life. There are videos, exercises, and other ways that students can engage with algebra in its real-world setting. Get the Math is an excellent way to combine theory with application. Olawafunk Flourish email. funk.yusuf@yahoo.com website. www.educalgebra blogspot.com. Up and coming technologies for Year 6 to 12 classroom September 18, 2028 16 Maths Playground. This collection of math-based games is perfect for younger students. Aligned with Common Core standards, the games are separated by grade and topic. Students will enjoy learning while playing interesting games. The games test timetables, fractions, and other mathematical concepts. Combining education with easy-to-play games is what makes Olawafunk Flourish. Email. funk.yusuf@yahoo.com. Combining education. Academy of Math. Aimed at children struggling with math in school, Academy of Math is a comprehensive tool that helps students get results. Videos and ongoing assessments tools put students in the driver's seat of their own education. There are various topics to choose from, and educators can implement the resources on this platform into their teaching. Olawafunk Flourish. Email. funk.yusuf@yahoo.com website. www.educalgebra blogspot. Pattern Shapes. Stepping Stones 2.0 Comprehensive Mathematics. From Arrigo Education integrates print and digital resources to give teachers flexibility in how they teach K-6 math. SS 2.0 is loaded with additional practice, effective strategies, visual models, and teacher supports. Slatecast lets the teacher broadcast a resource onto the class whiteboard to emphasize or reteach a concept. Pattern Shapes. Understanding the properties of shapes, fractions, and creating precise figures is easy with Pattern Shapes. Students can use the virtual protractor to measure angles, change the dimensions and color of forms, and annotate answers. It is ideal for elementary and middle school students, and the bright colored shapes can inspire creative design. Mobile learning tablets and smartphones in the classroom are no longer a matter of if but when, and how quickly. Administrators and educators can tap into the convenience of mobile technology in the classroom and the potential for student learning adaptation. Over half of school administrators say there is some form of mobile technology in their classrooms and that they plan to implement more when it is financially feasible. 3D printing, also known as prototyping, this technology will allow K-12 students to create tangible models for their ideas. Many fields, like manufacturing, already make use of this technology to determine the effectiveness of ideas on a smaller, printable scale. In education, this technology will bolster creativity and innovation, along with science and math applications. The STEM Academy has already partnered with Stratasys, a leading 3D printing company, to start integration of the technology in programming classes. Virtual laboratories. These web applications give students the chance to perform physical science experiments over and over, from anywhere with internet access. As in a physical lab, the performance of the student will determine the results of the experiment. While not a replacement for all in-lab exercises, the virtual version can provide extra practice and guidance. Conclusion. So, there you have it. All of these tools push students towards self-exploration and allow them to see how math is an integral part of the world they live in. Through the use of these tools, students can also take control of their academic achievement and foster a positive relationship with a subject that previously felt ambivalent about.